Hi, I'm Chris. I work with Donegal Insurance Group. We are a regional insurance company covering over 20 states in the United States, providing property casualty insurance in the personal and commercial markets. And 2 years ago, we went down the path of implementing Salesforce as a CRM system at our company. We utilized a team from Dextara to do our implementation work for Salesforce. The challenges we faced, one of the things we always face when we work with integrating into another system is our company has very specific requests and ideas of how we want things to work, and we do a lot of automation, building in workflows to empower our employees to do their work the most effectively as possible. So one of the challenges we always face is the integrations we like to do with the systems. We tend to our integrators go an extra step versus a lot of other companies. The solution that was provided was excellent. As we went through the process, I know the team at Dextara had to take a step back a few times because of our requests on how we wanted workflows to work and how we wanted our various systems to integrate. And it also threw in the added component that we were moving from a system that did both CRM and the agency licensing aspects together, and we were splitting to go with best in breed, and Salesforce was our chosen application for the CRM aspect. So there was a lot of integration going on also with the agency solution, licensing solution that we had chosen. And we did find the team at Dextara was very nimble at coming back with good solutions to handle whenever a curveball was thrown. Communication and collaboration was great. The response time from the team at Dextara was excellent. I would say the only time maybe we had a slight lag was if it was after working hours at the end of the day, which is to be expected. But otherwise, turnaround time, responding to questions, or even if we threw a curveball, the turnaround time and collaboration as far as Dextara working with us to address what our needs was great. Yes, the team at Dextara kept us fully in the loop where the project was going, where they were at, and when they ran into bumps in the road, they were very clear to us on what the issues were and what they felt our options were. And I will say, normally when they came back to us, they usually had at least two or more options to possibly address what we wanted to do. Yes, I would say the implementation went extremely well. I've been involved with a number of IT implementation projects and upgrade projects, and I will say we were very pleased, especially with the scope of what we were trying to do, how well this went. As far as issues with the implementation, we only had, I would say, any that we had were extremely minor. We had no pain points. I would say it was one of our better go lives. I'm not sure that I would find any particularly challenging. The implementation itself was very well executed. I will say I had mentioned earlier, when we came up with challenges or curveballs that maybe Salesforce doesn't normally handle out of the box, I would say one of the very well executed parts was the team at Dextara coming back with a solution to either adjust how we were using the Salesforce out of box, or maybe an app from the App Store that addressed what we needed. And I will say that how quickly they came up with novel solutions is something that maybe wasn't out of the box apparent was excellent. Absolutely. Our users have been extremely happy with the implementation. If anything, it's continues to cause additional requests for enhancements as people see what can be done with the solution. Yes, everything that we wanted in the initial implementation phase were implemented, they were successfully tested, and they went extremely well. Absolutely. Anything that we asked for that maybe had an issue being addressed with the normal Salesforce implementation, I guess you would say, the team at Dextara came up with a solution for us that either met the needs of our original requirement or exceeded those needs by providing us a novel solution with enhanced capabilities. Absolutely. The workflow work that was done in the system for our business processes, it's taken out some of the more tedious manual steps, and the teams that are more directly involved with the workflows today at Donegal have definitely experienced enhanced their capability to get work done accurately and more quickly than what they were doing it on our previous solution. Training and support has been great as well. Anytime we had questions where we needed a little extra help, the team at Dextara provided us with additional training on how to use the aspects. As far as support, the turnaround time has been excellent, and it can be attested to the fact that we still have an ongoing relationship with the team at Dextara. Absolutely. The information we've gotten back has been accurate, very timely, and very useful. And the user feedback has been great. Yes, everything that we wanted customized or personalized was addressed, and either we had what we requested or a comparable solution was provided, or a solution that was even better than what we requested was provided. Absolutely. The solution does what we wanted, and it provides the enhanced workflows to make our business more effective. We've seen more faster access to the data, faster processing of tasks through the enhanced workflows that were implemented, and in some cases, I would say with the integrations, it's a more timely data coming through. I would say I don't have anything that I could give the team at Dextara to improve at this point, because as we went through the project, any issues we had, we could see where we had issues, the team addressed those issues, and those remedies were reflected going forward. So I would say any issues we had were addressed during the project, and the team already, continued to deal with those. We didn't come out of the project with any issues that I felt were outstanding. We constantly have new features that we want to be implemented, new functionalities. As the users use the system more and more, and some of the non-targeted departments that don't use the Salesforce implementation as much see what the solution can do. We're constantly getting requests for new enhancements to improve our business processes. Overall, we're extremely satisfied with what the team at Dextara did for us. They were very professional. Their turnaround time was excellent. The work they did was great as well. When they turned work over to us, their user testing was great, so very rarely did we ever find an issue with anything that was turned over. And I will say, you don't necessarily find that all the time where the unit testing is done so well. So the quality of the work was great. The solutions that the team provided, it showed an in-depth knowledge of Salesforce and the ability to think out of the box on how you could work with Salesforce's out-of-the-box products to avoid having to do customizations that might cause problems down the road when Salesforce upgrades go through. So we've been through a number of upgrades. We've been implemented for about 1.5 years, and things have just gone extremely well, and our continuing relationship with Dextara has been great. Thank you.